In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Google Form to limit responses to one person. Navigating your way through Google Forms to ensure each participant can only submit one response might feel a bit intricate at first, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through each step of the process with clarity and ease. To begin, let's start with the very basics, accessing Google Forms. You'll want to head over to the Google Forms website. Once you're there, look for the Sign In button to access your account. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and then your password. Take your time and make sure you enter your credentials correctly to avoid any hiccups in accessing your forms. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the home page of Google Forms. This is your starting line. From here, you'll want to navigate to the specific form you're wishing to edit. Maybe it's a form you've recently created, or perhaps one that's been lurking in your dashboard for a while. Regardless, click on the form you want to adjust. With your form opened, your next step is to dive into the settings to make the necessary tweaks. You'll see a series of icons or tabs at the top of your screen. Look for the one labelled Settings and click on it. Settings is like the control room of your form. It's where all the important adjustments can be made. Now let's zoom in a bit further. Within Settings, you'll find several options, but your target is the Responses tab. Clicking on Responses will reveal various options related to how responses to your form are handled and managed. The magic happens with the next step. Within the Responses settings, you'll want to look for the option that says Limit to one response. This is the golden setting, ensuring that each participant can only submit their response once. It's a great way to maintain the integrity of your data, especially when conducting surveys or quizzes where multiple submissions could skew your results. Turning this option on is straightforward. Simply toggle the switch next to Limit to one response to the On position. Once activated, Google Forms will require respondents to sign in to their Google account to participate, which is how it ensures that each person can only submit one response. It's a smart and efficient way to keep everything in check. And that's pretty much it. You've successfully set your Google Form to limit responses to one per person. This ensures your data collection is fair, organized, and free from duplicates. Remember, you can always revisit these settings if you need to adjust your form's response limitations in the future. Before we wrap up, here's a small tip. Always test your form after making changes to the settings. This helps ensure everything is working as expected, and that your respondents won't face any unforeseen issues when trying to submit their responses. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this walkthrough has made the process of setting up single response limitations in Google Forms clear and straightforward. Happy form making!